Menta kasing tho deng ka Patrick Unailur aja arfulai uba Gabriel Walang MLA jong ka Nongsoin constituency ulakot iki kena school class 10 but class 12 ki balawan syakman ha ka final exam jong usnem arja arfulai bansam yaki kusnam ha ka tege singi lapan long iya ka tege jingsam kusnam ha Bishop Hall New Nongstoin ha ka jingalang balapan ya da uba Ronalds im harangat ka jingadon lang jong uba Garod LSN Dike Deputy Commissioner West Khasil District kum usimbot kongsan uba Gabriel Walang kum o kongsan uba Bikram Marak Superintendent of Police West Khasils but kiwe ki officer nalor kata lay don lang da ki principal jongki school ki kena school but ki kme ki pa jongki kena ki bayo pdiang ya ki kusnam
Lada tang mabi mitrai stom ndon ba itu hidup manusia betul betul. Hari lada don lang bukan itu ya mitrai stom tu man way for way. Na try dari kata kalau hero in snow ba ngan kham le ha shu nang nei shakha. Ba ngan yo shu khambon ki awak ki paper. Ba don ke jing itu ba ha ju ko bukan koi. Sai tak benta ki ba ni don kam. Na kwa kan encourage pala de people ki pass ya ke MCS. Ba kana ju ko for IAS. Kalau stoi ke juri hat du unta tang way MCS ko ni padon. La kata posnan. Dengan aku apalan bapin traistom nang nismat bapin don kathong bangin don hagi civil service. Makalong betika burong kumakraw na kita anong stoi ko sapsi. Lara kino kiba dorkam kijingera aw kidon kata kijingu mare pas ka film na kloy menedon kata nang mati kumno banang kentiro bi ko kidi ba pas be. Ado pina pas ka kathong ko kidi. Haba biya ka kentria ka jombi wanya ka jinoi ka jombi. Ya berkat ke jinet ke joki. Haba biya ke jinoi kini ibon ke jinet. Di boleh kot mata mungit lasa dah step lek. Bakane bin tim mela de piro ngalong gobe. Bakan dam pun red mesim dala de yala de. Wat red mesim dala de yala de. Maka kade ditang ke jinoi ke joki. Ya ke jing tolak bor ke joki. Andrai bu na ke jinet ke banga ngala panle. Ya kano ka. Bo pa de ka Allah pa ngai hela. Kino vi kai ngai de. Ki kimi pa ko de ngai. Ke pa ba ngai de. Sama fi balai la ngai yala de. Ba ngala panle sibur ba na ta ban pengala yala de. Labu ke ngai de. Ba phila au pengala la ke no stoi. Ngin ya tere rekat na kam ta ke jiba. Ngai skam ba bo rekat ha phia. Bo rekat ki jingluwa yo glei. Wakil sayo ya kita kilat kicing ayai tu wafi filon kan wakil sayo ya kena thom apa pijak terkat ganti bon.
So I'll share with you 3 thoughts and I wish you remember all the 3. Number 1, you have to build a solid foundation. You have to build a solid foundation. By solid foundation we mean the idea, principle or fact on which something is practiced. The courses at secondary level, school of education, aims to give students a solid foundation in English, social science, science and mathematics. But majority of the students read these foundation subjects just to pass the exams and to get promoted to the next higher class or next higher level. I can tell you this is very wrong. This is not the purpose of education. Because the purpose of education is to build a solid foundation in these foundation subjects I mentioned: English, science, social science, and maths. Because if you don't have a clear concept, a solid foundation of these subjects, it will be very difficult for you to particularly when you appear the competitive exam. I believe the resource person will tell you if whenever you take any course for the competitive exam, the first thing they will tell you is to revise this foundation subject. So I urge each one of you, till you get a job or till you achieve the career you aim, you have to keep on reading, revising these foundation subjects. The second point is you have to develop the right mindset. Number one, you have to build a solid foundation. Number two, you have to develop the right mindset. It is said that the right mindset can be the blueprint for success in life.